Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a really simple way how you can use Parler. So let's start. Now, when you're gonna open the app on the iPhone or Android, you're gonna see it's really similar to Twitter. So let's go to left up corner, and here you're gonna see our own profile, moderation, setting, and privacy. First, we are going to edit our own profile, okay? So click on the profile, and here you're gonna see all your posts and images that you shared. Go to right top corner to settings, and here you can simply change your profile picture or change your name and display name and add a bio if you want to. So this is how we can do it here. Now, to go back and to go again to left top corner, let's click on settings and privacy, and you can simply click on privacy and have a private account on or off. That's really up to you. Then you're gonna see security, and here you can change your account email, password, and update phone number, edit profile, and here, as I mentioned, you can change your profile picture and name and display name. Now you can also disable notifications here if you want to, and you're gonna see advanced filters here, and here is you can mute specific notifications, and here you video autoplay, and these are not that important anymore here. Now, to go back, and again, you're gonna see you can switch accounts, Parler verification. You can also share Parler, and you can simply verify your account. And here on left down corner, you can also enable dark mode. As you can see, that's really perfect, and you can use it here as a dark mode if you want to. Now, to go even further, what next? Next button to home is here your Discover News that you can find, Megan Kelly and others like Cassandra Fairbanks, Western Journal, or you can simply go to notifications, who do you actually follow and what your accounts that you followed shared. Then you're gonna see search here, and you can search for accounts here, and simply right here, and it will try to find the account that you got, right? Maria, stop the steal. And here you can simply follow someone, upvote, and that's pretty much it. Now, what you can do now is when you're on a profile, you can simply follow here, turn down the notifications or disable them, message to Maria, or you can simply click and echo the post. What this means, that when you want to echo the post, that's share on Twitter, reshare the post. So what you want to do also is to simply add a comment if you want to. That's a possibility. Or you just want to simply click here and you can report it, share text. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. And upload it. Now, to go in further, I'm going to unfollow her. Let's go here. And I see here the John Bachelor, right? And I can simply click here or here and echo with comment, 1, 2, 3. And when I would go home right now, I can, let me show you, it will automatically, I will see in my feed that I retweeted it, right? That I echoed by me. Now I can simply delete it again, remove post. Now what can I do? I can simply add a post here by myself. You can also share pictures if you want to, and just click submit. And here I get my own post. And when I'm going to comment, 1, 2, 3, 4, I can simply click here and I can remove the comment if I want to. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments, and this is how you use Parler. Goodbye.